Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Jenn-Air refrigerator or freezer door gasket. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the instruction sheet and the new freezer door gasket. The freezer door gasket seals the freezer door. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's damaged, it's letting warm air in, causing ice to build up, or the freezer is not getting down to the correct temperature. In order to change the part, we have to open up the freezer door. Now that we have the door open, we have access to the freezer door gasket. It's just pushed into a channel that goes around the door. All you have to do is carefully peel it out of the channel. Once you have it started, you just go all the way around the door. Once you have the gasket free, you can pull it off the door. Here's the old freezer door gasket next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. If your gasket has any creases from being in the package, you may have to lay it out and take a blow dryer and work over the creases to release them. Once you have it installed, you can also use a hair dryer to work out the creases when it's on the door. Before you put the new freezer door gasket in, you want to make sure you clean the channel up around the door. Once you have it cleaned up, we're just going to put the freezer gasket over the door. Once you have it lined up, you can push it in the channel all the way around the door. Once you have the freezer gasket pushed into the channel, if you need to, you can take your blow dryer and heat up the gasket. You just want to make sure you stay an inch to 4 inches away. You don't want to overheat the gasket or the door liner. Once you have it done, you can close the freezer door, plug it back in, and make sure it starts to cool. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.